Tayong bagyo. Please stay safe sa lahat at magandang bakit na naman ako na-restrict? Sige, wait lang ha. Mag-relive ako. Parang kailangan ko na naman mag-long sleeve. Sige, babalik ako ng 2 minutes. Wait lang. TikTok, ano ba? Sige, wait lang. Kumanta na tayo. First time mo? Ano sabi? Huwag tayo ma-pressure. If God is with us, who can be against us? Yan, God knows our heart. And God knows kung bakit natin ginagawa itong campaign. Kaya, lalaban tayo guys. Kaya everyone, power tap the screen and share the live. Come on! Share and power tap! If you wanna run away, me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. Had a premonition, now we fell into rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading, yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. Uy, kuya shine, ano ka ba? I need you. I'm levitating you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. Let's go, guys. Lalaban tayo. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in the energy. I see us winning in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in the eyes, shining just the way we are. Feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me? Ayan na! Sir Mikey, good evening po! Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating you, oh, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Paso, come on. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My love is like a rocket, watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so elected, that's my and never wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so elected, that's my and never wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading, yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me, I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Let's go, guys, tap the screen, come on. Monday grind. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride, yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. Once again, that was Levitating by Dua Lipa. At magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It's Ricey once again from the Philippines. Ayun sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko. Lalo-lalo na sa mga OFW, sa lahat ng mga walang pasok ngayon. At nagpapahinga dahil suspended. And by the way guys, please stay safe. I know we have a tropical, I think depression, Yes, Christine, Typhoon Christine. And please stay safe and please stay dry. Ayan, pag kaya nyong magstay lang sa inyong bahay. Oo. And actually, bago ako mag-live, yes, mini-message na ako ng mga admins and ng ating mga concerned Team Ricey. And I would just like to say na I'm very happy for Ate Ali, of course. We respect the grind and ganito po talaga kapag campaign.
kumbaga we all try our best na gawin yung makakaya namin para sa isang campaign kasi it takes effort and it takes grind to do that. And yes, and alam ko, naniniwala ako na ang team ko din po ay hindi ako pababayaan at we're gonna try our best kung saan man tayo makaabot. Basta alam ko na may tiwala ako sa inyo, lalong-lalo na good evening to our number one Sofer, Sir Mikey! Ang ating Sofer, Sir Mikey, at andito rin po ang aking mga kaibigan at aking mga manonood. Actually, ayan na sila, pumapasok na sila. Maraming salamat. I know you've been really waiting for me tonight. At syempre ngayon lang ako nakapag-live dahil galing pa po akong online class. And yes, we must respect everyone and let's be happy sa kung ano man pong spot ang nakukuha. Lalo na co-Filipinos natin yan. Oo, representative din si Ali. And for me, there is no competition between streamer to streamer. Of course, I want everybody to have a spot. I want all of my teammates to syempre, to go high as they could. Because we are all fighting for the same thing. Diba? Parang sobrang ganda rin pag lahat ng Philippines nandoon sa top 5 pagdating ng finale. Kaya, I respect and I'm proud. Yes, I'm very happy na nagawa nila yon and bumilib din ako talaga sa kanila. And syempre, I know kaya din natin na gawin yung best natin for all the votes that we could. Naniniwala ako sa Team Rising, naniniwala ako sa Team Philippines, naniniwala ako sa boses nyo. Kaya sa lahat ng mga manonood, magandang gabi! I love you all! Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nakaboto na. But sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nakakaboto, ayan, ako po ay humbly asking ng inyong free votes dahil ito po ay malaking hatak sa aming tally scores. Sa lahat ng 3,000 ngayon na nakasubaybay at hindi umaalis, maraming salamat po. Ayan, may I take this time dahil 3,000 naman nanood, sana kumain na kayo. Yan, and sa mga nagpapahinga, sige, dito tayo magkwentuhan, dito tayo mag-grind, dito tayo magkantahan, dito tayo mag-banding. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga ka-Sofer. And yes, since 3,000 po yung viewers, I would like to, syempre, like I always do every day, to humbly ask sa lahat ng mga boto po ng mga nanonood sa akin ngayon. 30 seconds lang po of your time to vote for me. I know, may mga nagtatanong kanina, mamimigay ka ba ng G? Yan. Pero ako kasi, hindi ko po kasi kaya yun eh. Kumbaga, alam nyo naman ako, alam nyo naman yung buhay ko, hindi ko kayang gawin yung ganon. Kumbaga, marami din akong bills. And kung tutulong tayo, we're gonna do a charity drive by Christmas. Yun yung kailangan natin pag-effortan. Doon talaga sa those who in need. Yes. Pero, syempre, hats off sa kanila kasi they're trying their best din to give back and mag-share. Oo, pero kasi ako ngayon po alam nyo naman, magpapasko na. Kaya gusto ko sanang ialat yun. Syempre, pag nakaipon ako at pagkaya po ng aking budget, talagang schedule naman natin yan yung mga charity drive. Oo. Pero hindi ko po kasi talaga kaya yun. Hindi ko kaya. Oo, kaya believe ako sa kanila kasi nagagawa nila yon. Talagang may teamwork din at iba-ibang strategy. Hats off. And yes, good evening sa inyong lahat. At sa lahat ng mga manonood, eto na. Oo, hindi naman tayo nakikipaghabulan or we're not in a competition, lalo na sa kapwa natin Filipino. But us as a Team Rising, we're just gonna do our best to go far as we could. Sobrang grateful na ako kung saan man tayo makarating sa kompetisyon na to. As long as kasama ko kayo hanggang dulo. Ayan o, 3,400. Yes. And alam ko na kapag si Lord ang gumawa ng miracles at kapag gusto niya na para sa'yo yon, ibibigay niya. Pero pag hindi para sa'yo, kailangan mong intindihin, kailangan nating intindihin na maybe it's not meant for us. But we're gonna try, syempre, to do our best. Yan, ganun naman nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Kaya kailangan din natin kumilos and let's trust God's will, of course. And this is a campaign, this is a global campaign. Medyo nakakaramdam tayo ng pressure kasi semifinals and it's the round 2. Pero bago ang lahat, nasa inyo na po yan kung anong rank nyo po ako gusto na mapunta. no matter what happens, I will be grateful, alam niyan. So, demo tayo, guys! Sa lahat ng mga hindi pa po nakaka-vote, we are currently number 2 and thank you kasi number 2 tayo. Sobrang hirap na makapasok sa semifinals. Alam natin yung pinagdaanan natin gabi-gabi, yung sa pagpapaboto, and let us be grateful sa kung ano man yung scores natin ngayon. So, yes, sa lahat ng mga hindi pa po nakaboto, sa lahat ng 3,000, magandang gabi. Ayan, magtuturo po ako kung paano. Sana po maboto po ninyo ako. Sana po ay samahan nyo po ako. I know, wala po kayong mapapala dito. Pero sa streamer like me, sobrang laking bagay po ng 30 seconds na maaalat nyo po sa akin. Ng oras po na maibibigay nyo sa akin for the free vote. Yes. And to everyone, so nandito po kayo ngayon sa live ko. Salamat sa lahat ng mga nandito. Ayan, all you have to do po is go to your upper right. Yes. To the upper right. Mga ka-sofer, should we aim for the top spot again? Nasa sambayanan po yan. Nasa viewers po natin yan if talagang mag-effort tayo sa vote, mag-create ng accounts. Yes. And to everyone, sige, magtuturo na po ako Naway pagpasensyahan nyo po if every kada song magtuturo ako kasi campaign period grind. So step 1 po, punta lamang po tayo sa upper right. Ayan, may makikita po tayo na banner dyan. Ayan. Sige, wait lang, may nag-i-invite sa akin Ayan, punta lamang po kayo, may makita kayong parang rectangle. Tapos, iswipe nyo lamang po 2,700, sabay-sabay po tayo, let's go! Team Philippines, Team Rixie, ilaban natin to. Ayan, hanapin nyo lang po yung Give Me The Mic. Ito, para makakuha kayo ng 1 coin or 10 coins, para makakuha nyo po yung sa last task na first gift. Sige, ako ay mamimigay. Sige, eto dahil 2,000 tayo, mamimigay ako ng 5,000 coins. Pasensya na kayo, ito lang yung kaya ko po Opo, pasensya na. Ito lang po talaga yung kaya ko sa ngayon. Pero sige, mamimigay po ako ng 500 or 1,000 coins. 200 po yung makakakuha nito. So, magkakaroon kayo ng 5 coins. And, paano ba? Yung goodie bag po ito, Sige, enter the comment. Love. Ayan. Para ma-maximize nyo po yung 2 votes, makakuha po kayo ng, kailangan ko pala. Ayan, paid. Ayan. Salamat! Sige, I think for this time, kakanta tayo ng mga upbeat songs para ganahan ng ating mga viewers na mag-tap. Once again po, sana po iboto nyo po ako. Pindutin nyo lamang po ang treasure box at i-wait po na mapunta po sa inyo yung tig-pipiso or tig-5 coins, tig-10 coins. And you can drop it here to send your first gift to get 2 tickets. Let's go, everyone! Ikaw ang nasilayan sa di inakalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong hiling sa mga tala, mga pintig ng puso, naghanaan para sa'yo. From following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island. Everybody guys, come on, tap the screen. Kaya ba natin 1 million taps in 30 minutes? Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat arama sumasaya, magmula nang makita ka, mawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang Islam pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you sa Islam pantropiko. Let's go guys, come on, tap tap. Sa Islam pantropiko, hey. Sa Islam pantropiko, sumapit na ang araw, nang ika'y muling nag-uusap.
Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang papalapi, puso ko'y bigla nang di mapakali. Ano nga bang sinabi? Kakapit ba hanggang huli? From following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island.
Salamat. Grabe, ang dami nyo ngayon na nagsisend. Thank you. Alam kong bumuboto kayo. Salamat po.
Pag-ibig na, totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang makita ka, mawawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like someone I'm with you. Parang Islam na tropiko, can't wait to go back with you. Sa Islam na tropiko, hey! Come on everybody! Sa Islam ay tropiko, hey! Sa Islam ay tropiko. Island sitting on the white side, guess I found my love with you. 'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be your lady. Oh, 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 di na maawatan ng kilig na bigay riyan. Puso'y para bang di mapigilan. O kumakabog, umito, gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. From following your footprints in the sand.
Thank you to our Sir Mikey for the treasure box. And congrats po sa lahat ng mga nakatanggap. At thank you sa effort. Thank you sa mga nagvo-vote.
Tarama, oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula na makita ka, mawawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like someone I'm with you. Parang Islam ang tropiko, can't wait to go back with you. Sa Islam ang tropiko, hey! Sa Islam ang tropiko, nakabote na sila. Sa Islam ang tropiko.
Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at sa aking 2,300 viewers. Welcome to the semifinals, Ate Mikey. Thank you. Ate Mikey Jeannie, salamat sa vote. At sa lahat ng mga bumoboto po ngayon at nakatanggap ng treasure box, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat po ng mga viewers ko po, ayan, pasensya na kung magiging paulit-ulit ako after song, pero kailangan ko po talagang i-grind ang aking kampo, maraming papasok. Yan, pwede po tayong gumawa ng accounts or kayo na po bahala, may tiwala ako sa Team Ricey. Sige, on the floor. Sige, na-miss nyo to ha. Ayan guys, makaka-claim kayo ng mga free diamonds na pwede nyo po ipang-accomplish dun sa 4th task kahit send lang kayo ng 1 rose. Let's go everyone. After this song, sige, magtuturo po ako ulit mag-vote. Yan, sabay-sabay po tayong bumoto, guys! Let's go! Behind by 776 na lang. Ilaban po natin, sabay-sabay po tayo mag-vote, everybody. Let's go, laban!
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club. Tap, 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 I'm loose. And everybody knows I get off the train, baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. 'Cause you will lose, yeah. Nah, pump it up and back it up like a Tonka chump, darling. If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break is when on the floor, yeah. We work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, let's go 1 million tops. Pick your body up and jump it on the floor. Let the rhythm change the world on the floor. You know we're running things tonight on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, live your life and stay on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more. Let's go guys, isabay natin sa beat. Malapit na tayo mag 6 million, everybody! La 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 la. Tonight and keep on rocking, rock it up, Kuya Sean. Hey. If you're a criminal, kill it on the floor, still liquid on the floor, on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your dreams up. It's getting ill, it's getting sick on the floor. We never quit, we never rest on the floor. If I wrong, we probably die on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, live your life and stay on the floor. Sir, now we're welcome back. And so everybody, bumagsak yung phone. And one, two, let's go guys, tap tap. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be hit on the floor. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be hit on the floor. The badonka-donk is like a chunk full of bass of an old truth cafe. 7 straight donkey donk. All the niggas some bug and some chunky chunk. And watch your sheep gon' donkey donk. Baby, if you ready for things to get heavy, I get on the floor and I can pull if you let me. Tell it, don't believe me, just grab me. My name ain't Keith, but I see why you sweat me. LA, Miami, New York, say no more, come on. La 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 la. Di ba Monday pa lang nagpa-party na? La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be hit on the floor. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be hit on the floor. Thank you so much, Ma'am Rhea, Kuya Sean, Sir Mikey, at sa lahat po ng mga nagsisend sa akin ng gift. Thank you, guys. And yes, sige, check natin yung progress natin. Yan sa mga nakaka-receive po ng treasure box. Brought to us by Sir Mikey. We may use this para ma-accomplish po yung ating last task. Yan, kasi 4 po yung task. Ay yung task, send your first gift kahit isa lang. Kahit 1 coin lang. Yes. And how many points do we have as of now? Magsi 6 million na po tayo. Onting kembot na lang, mga mahal ko. Onti na lang. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga bagong pasok, ako po ay meron na lamang pong